Hey, everyone, today we're making a delicious twist on the classic Italian dish, mushroom carbonara. It's creamy, flavorful, and oh so comforting, and it's perfect for a cozy dinner at home. So let's get started. 8-ounce spaghetti. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. 8 ounces sliced mushrooms. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 large egg yolks. Half a cup grated Parmesan cheese. Half a cup heavy cream. Salt and black pepper, to taste. Chopped parsley, for garnish. First, let's start by boiling our spaghetti in a pot of salted water, following the package instructions until it's cooked to your liking. Then, drain and set it aside for now. Next, let's prepare our mushrooms. Heat a large skillet over medium heat, then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Once the butter has melted, add the sliced mushrooms and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until they're tender and golden brown. Add the minced garlic to the skillet and sauté for 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, remove the skillet from heat and set it aside. In a medium bowl, whisk together 2 large egg yolks, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and half a cup of heavy cream. Season the mixture with salt and black pepper to taste. Now, let's combine everything together. Add the cooked spaghetti to the skillet with the mushrooms and garlic, and toss to combine. Then, pour the egg and cream mixture over the pasta, and toss again until the pasta is coated in the creamy sauce. Finally, return the skillet to low heat and cook the pasta for a few minutes, stirring constantly, until the sauce has thickened and the spaghetti is fully coated. Serve the mushroom carbonara in bowls, garnished with chopped parsley and some extra grated Parmesan cheese on top. Enjoy! And there you have it, a delicious and easy mushroom carbonara recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try the recipe out, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.